In continuation with our series on traditional Indian summer drinks, the fifth recipe in our series is a refreshing, energizing, and very popular chilled milk-based drink from Jammu and Kashmir. Babribyol Tresh, Doodh Tresh, also called as Kand Sharbat. Tresh means to drink to quench thirst. Babribyol Tresh is drinking basil seeds mixed water to quench thirst. Welcome to Whada Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And to not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. The ingredients required for the recipe are 500 ml milk, 2 tablespoons Babribyol, also called as Sabja seeds or Sweet Basil seeds, 2 tablespoons almonds, 1/4 teaspoon saffron, 7 to 8 cardamom, 2 tablespoons raisins, 100 grams sugar, dry coconut, copra or kobri. For the preparation, take 2 tablespoons of Babribyol or Sabja seeds. Add 100 ml water. Allow it to soak for 2 hours. One of the best coolants for the body. It relieves acidity, heartburn, constipation, and bloating. It also helps in weight loss as it keeps you feeling full for a longer time. Split open the dry coconut. Grate it. You can even slice it into thin pieces and add. Dry coconut is a good source of dietary fiber. It is high in iron, hence recommended for people with anemia. Also a good source of riboflavin, manganese, and vitamin B6. Powder the cardamom. Cut the almonds into long, thin slices. Add 500 ml milk to a saucepan. Allow it to boil. Once it boils, switch off the stove. Add 100 grams sugar and mix well. Take 1/4 teaspoon of saffron. Add 3 to 4 spoons of hot milk. Mix and allow the saffron to dissolve. Add 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder. Add 2 teaspoon raisins. Mix well. Allow it to cool and then keep it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Take the soaked Babribyol Sabja seeds. You can see that the seeds have absorbed all the water and become gel-like in consistency. Add to a jar. Now add the cold milk to which the sugar, cardamom and raisins have been added. Mix well. To serve, pour the Babribyol Tresh into glasses. Garnish with 1/2 teaspoon of grated dry coconut, 1/2 teaspoon of sliced almonds, and the saffron milk. Serve chilled. Easy to make, a wonderful cooling and quenching drink of Kashmir. The sweet gelatinous drink of basil seeds is absolutely energizing, adding strength to the body. If you liked the video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Saturday for another interesting traditional drink recipe.